Na Ouch Palangi and VTFM, K0 Bites, quality product from Punja's Biscuits.
Andra Bulubinaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Wow!
And Dotala na mataka ni the Bengram di Kua.
Right.
Mataka ni sing a low to level.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
We say good morning to all our friends
Yeah.
tuning in this morning.
Right. Tabayan rutan bikion ni sabat bela mani lori. Taxi and minibus on your way to work or on your way to where
Yeah.
you are going this morning.
New to where?
On your way to where? Anywhere. Wherever you going. We are very fortunate to have you with us this morning. We are lucky. And also, good morning to those who are still preparing a breakfast back in the village. Maybe they back from the farm in the morning. The milkers, the dairy farmers, very good morning to you.
To you, every cow,
Boy,
the animal.
when I had that kind of kalu, I know the devil around.
Hey!
You got a beautiful shirt.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Right.
I appreciate it.
Now, right.
Hey, sini pula-pula bro.
Well, these people, they're like Samuela, they are the Fijian English people.
No, we are different. We are different.
As
Hey,
yet-
yan na katumel na Valevu.
Right.
And all the gang tuning in from Brisbane.
Right.
We are Meme
Ben.
Benji.
Iyo.
Mutuan re audoho.
Right.
Yeah.
Peter Masilava. Mea umbula re.
Hey, no, no,
Purin duba. Iyo, mai.
wait, they are again tuning in, you know? All the nurses.
Woo!
Not the nurses,
Yeah.
the woolly nurses.
Oi.
They are watching all the way from the Delana Mundre in Tamamua.
And Renaka.
Boy.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, what?
And Renaka Luciana Tinay Jisingango Walu.
Right.
Moy Walubi.
Bolak.
Ini Nambenia, the
Mai.
Renaka Turanga. Don Singalevo de Bugulu, Sacramento.
Oi!
Baka kida be say morning banube.
Right.
Oh, no, na kana bulubi toka dia na mataka di baka tabi signi kwa.
Right. Jipa tuning in from the TikTok and also Oh, the gift and the rose coming. Thank you so much. When I was receive to my
O karlay di kele, ano ba na?
Sorry.
Bani vakarewa.
Right.
Kaya na mataka di ko. Wani bu. Oh, di na kana bulubi toka dia na baka tabi singa.
Right.
Hey, Pep
Yan
Stano.
white man.
Hey,
O Pep Stano ya.
Hey.
Pep Stano.
Isa, Pep Stano, not white man.
What is that?
I'm not a paper.
Apa?
I'm not a paper. And Rabina Kalini, Lambarabi,
Okay.
from Sacramento, California.
Now, I have a gift. Wait.
Ria Tukana Ngoro.
Right.
Isaac Komai, Simon Mbanobe.
Bolonaka.
Isa Toranga Momo Nakaya Ima.
Right.
Dinai bless Philemon in Ruma.
Bolonaka.
Isa, likewise to Temawanga Sila.
Right.
And Abisaki the cow.
Okay.
Baba Jane Vesi Ndandra.
Right.
Lotte Mbaro.
Yeah.
Abisaki the cow and Fusi Mary Whippy.
Man.
And Lia Tui.
Yeah.
Yes,
The student nurse, they are asking if we can dedicate one song to them in the Delana Mundre in Tamamua. This is the student nurse Wong tuning in this morning. Wong, very good morning to you and all the students.
Ness.
Wait.
So, Isa.
What?
Thank you very much, Ness, to all the Ness and everyone tuning in inside the bus,
Yeah.
inside the van.
This nurse can change your color.
Huh?
Change your color.
Hey,
Yo,
how come?
longer.
Longer.
And Herbina Carlay di Kele, Herbina California, Sacramento.
Right.
O Pep Stano, Herbina Talanga Ngoro.
Yo,
Siya masarap siya mainandi and mataka di Kua.
Right.
Ako
Yeah.
bibital nga be Philemon in Ruma. Eagle River, Anchorage.
Right.
Uy. And namataka di ko may na Wainiaku Estate.
right.
Temo wanga sila. Isa naway sabuya ku sir ladies eh.
Yeah, sabuya.
Do yar bina may tabi uni na matali ko. Okay.
Yeah,
Our
bye.
story this morning will be a short one nga.
Right.
Sa rumah di sana mantan nanti talon ratu.
My.
Yeah, because this fella here is from Mbuai.
Ayo.
Oh,
From
Bulalebu.
Bua. Bulalebu. Every
Isa.
time you want to go and buy the groceries,
Yeah.
just go to Nambawalu.
Bularem yaw.
Kaya the question nga buwalo.
Just have the courses in Nambawalu. Don't go far.
Yeah.
Because the wife, maybe the wife,
Yeah.
And first time the ice cream cone came.
Kila sungai bonoli. Mai.
Hey!
Let's go to Bulalebu.
And first time that ice cream cone came to Fiji.
Iya.
No, came to Bulalebu.
No,
Yeah.
whole of Fiji.
Oh, okay.
And all the people telling the story about this.
How sweet.
How sweet. And
Right.
and that time people only know the container,
Yeah.
the ice cream in the container.
Right.
Yeah.
And after that, this fella here from Pua want to come to Lambasa town.
First time to Lambasa.
First time to Lambasa town.
Oi.
When he reached Lambasa town, like last night, he
Yeah.
was having the big grog session at the Koro.
Yeah.
Right.
And the inside part is very, very dirty.
Oi.
He want to clean it.
Which part?
Yeah.
The inside part.
Oi.
The stomach, eh?
Oh, yeah.
He want to clean the ablogata so that he can taste something good
Yeah.
so that he can clean.
Yeah.
So when he reached Lambasa,
First time, Matasasara.
first time,
Yeah.
he
Wow.
look like this. Woo, the
Look
bus.
to the left, look to the right.
Look to the right. Woo,
Tecta.
the tecta.
Yeah.
Look at the bus, the taxi.
Right.
Tira Sara.
Because in Pua no taxi.
Yeah.
In Pua.
Oi.
No taxi.
Ang salah
Only
lama
vehicle.
biau.
Hey!
Also.
Yeah. And after that, he went to one shop with, like near the taxi stand.
Yeah.
And he
Dairy
asked the
shop?
buyer, "Hey, buyer,
Yeah.
ham ice cream mangita?
Ano?
Ham ice cream mangita, right?"
Oh, like he's
They
very
do
poor
ice
in
cream?
Hindustani, eh?
Yeah, Hindustani.
Ah.
And he thought that the fellow will give him the container, eh?
Yeah.
And he said, "Oh," he put ice cream in the cone,
Yeah.
and he said, "Kali $1 they do."
Oh,
$1, kali $1.
Flavor ka.
Flavor,
Ah.
conchi flavor,
Yeah.
conchi flavor mangita.
Yeah.
Chocolate,
Yeah.
vanilla,
Our chocolate.
chocolate, vanilla, strawberry,
Yeah.
conchi mangita, conchi,
Yeah.
conchi.
Dunlop.
Are, vanilla.
Right.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
Sasol serang maybe kona vanilla. They
Right.
gave him the vanilla,
Yeah. Nakun.
the cone. And he was the, what you call it, Ramirez?
Yeah.
Tell me this.
Ramirez.
Yeah.
Ramirez,
Yes.
the ice cream.
Yeah.
And he was
Nanti
thinking,
mo bakila ka na kami din ice cream.
yeah, take bring up.
Right.
And he was thinking,
Yeah.
every moment he was thinking, what is this?
Yeah.
Is this a cup?
Yeah.
Oi.
What is this?
Yeah.
This is the cone.
Maybe there's the lamani cone.
Not on the cone.
Oi.
Just the ice cream.
Yeah.
Oi.
After he finished the ice cream,
Yeah.
he go back to the buyer.
Right.
Subkeeper.
Hey, shopkeeper.
Ah.
Buyer,
Ah.
here.
Thank you so much.
This is your cone.
Yeah.
This is your cup.
Yeah.
This is your cup. Hey, no, you ate it.
Ah.
Yeah.
Huh? No, you ate it. The fellow was surprised.
Yeah.
You ate the cone. You ate the cup. Eat the cup.
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Yeah.
Me what?
Yeah.
Me hapor lo mango. Me break inside my tortillas.
Hey.
Sa katolo kay sa na ice cream.
Sao to ice cream.
Yeah. Sa katulis na kami si.
Katulis talo ko na cone.
Yeah.
Hey, buya.
Yeah. Kagi ba yaw ko?
Hey, buya.
Yeah.
Ah.
Binakabagalib.
Yeah.
Tumar cup.
Yeah.
Hari!
Yeah.
Inay kapre.
Yeah.
Kana na kap.
Yeah.
Kasi nagdarawa ko na darwanin bogo.
Yeah.
Me daba me hapor lo mango.
Demi serang on demi si.
Yeah.
Gomba don demesi serangan,
Yeah,
demesi.
demesi.
Bitar me kabor.
Bitar me kapor lo mamuro ida.
Eh, doon naman ka na siya cuma na muna ni budi-budi ni may na-point ni may PRS may namalip sa rally
Uy.
dua. Kalau kata siguro kung dibito kandian na mata kami na kaniko hamoro.
Hamoro.
Be hamoro lamang.
Me daba me hapor lo mango.
Beza be hamoro lamang.
Senga ya beta la chingori. Ngori mokani ya rau.
Eh, bina bale siapa tu mayan na mata kaniko.
Hey, kalau bambu lo mantap turang tahu.
Mai.
O pol na kalau.
Oh, belum na kanita.
Ni ano sa?
Sama tu may napuno lebo Baransi.
Godo to ko ya.
Isa.
Nakade may may tumitar-tar tiyo.
Apakan tu.
Tara tu tabe dora korkona.
Iyo.
Right.
Panure uwake.
Right.
Pike munikele sara na biang unu kuno es krim tengori.
Iya.
Ronga kuni va muri ya.
Yeah.
Sakila ko ni na chilo mangango.
Yeah.
Same time habor lo mana nambilo. Iyo to na bangalu.
Iya.
To na chimin na bangalu.
Right.
Mai on mai.
Ngor to na chimin na abusa mai na koro.
Mai.
O ni siratabe. Wate ke polo da kalau. Orto na pakai tabi ti kana bukuni tens en singa pa roengo kana sorry. Para mo korawai.
Oh, tu ni sa tagina.
Iyo.
Samu dara ko dara libi may tabi na tens may no sorry. May tabi sa singa kino ko tra na ita.
Roga.
Pola.
Au sanga i parita ka tigo bi ko turang tau mika.
Yeah.
Ni o tinga mai na boy tabi ya.
Iya.
Walinga ayali.
Gore.
Sanga ile ore tal tumengo. ni satu-satu mai
Iya.
nambuturan kita ora kabi kenapa nu sana
Doon po bina.
tapi enggak kira kimbula bina boleh besar saya tu mai
Right.
Vikim do kada saran na lala boys do sangit to mengore barense
Iya.
bina boleh berken tonting kita itu mai na VTFM
Pe mate si tama pa bina kaya guru beta kadi my fobs.
Double lah.
My really. Saya tadi na.
So again go Septon by Septon.
Iya, sa
No,
Isa.
Southampton. Go by Gilandi.
Southampton yo.
Southampton by Gilandi. Sebenarnya besar di cuma TikTok and mataka
Sin
ini.
botale har bina ko ada BSP na matang di kuha. Nanti mo ro kumlombo mi bulare.
Boleh benar horo.
Arkalos ba di bina kan guru beta kadi na matang di kuha. Sa betale na matang di mataka go kurmundu.
Mika galon bulago.
sam turana taningo
Buklomata.